What's up? I'm here with Oscar. We're about to pull this motor out, get this rotary junk out of here. We're LS boys now. We just had the PPF left, and then this thing's coming out. So let's get cracking. I took a time lapse of us pulling the motor, and my phone didn't save it because I ran out of storage. So here's the only clip I have of us pulling the motor out. It came out with relatively no issues, and now we can start disassembling it and selling things off. Actually do it. All right, productive day today. Got my lights hung up, which makes it really easy to work out here. We got the rotary engine out, and then to get the engine bay ready for that thing, I ordered a clutch kit, getting an oil pan baffle, pickup tube bracket thing. It's an LS thing. Still new to this. We're getting there. I got good friends. Shout out to Sean and Oscar, who helps me pull the rotary engine out today. My brother helped too. He's always around. So yeah, we got it out pretty quick. Didn't have too much to do. We got the hood and bumper off and out of the way. PPF came off. That big thing, that's going away as well. Can't use that with the LS. Next up, we're gonna clean up this engine bay, figure out what we gotta keep, what we gotta get rid of. Gotta get the subframe out for sure. That way we can get the LS subframe in. And then I might use my mock block to see how everything fits. Yep, still a lot of work to do, but coming along. Just getting started on taking some of the engine parts off. Starting with the Y pipe and the turbos. I want to look inside the motor through the exhaust port to see if I can see any damage before I list the long block for sale. The transmission will probably be available separately. I do have some people interested in that. But this long block is not a normal long block. It's a brand new engine from Mazda. When I put this in, I powder coated and painted just about everything. The lower intake manifold is Cerakoted. This stuff's all powder coated. Afini Y pipe's powder coated. Replaced a lot of the hardware. You'll see a lot of stainless hardware on here, as well as some new gold zinc hardware. Water pump housing is also powder coated. Accessory brackets painted, I believe. New OMP lines, brand new harness from Mazda. It's only got 10,000 miles on it, and I heat wrapped it when I got it new. All new vacuum lines here. New Viton check valves here at the front. Brand new injectors, both primary and secondary. So yeah, there's lots of new stuff on here. Got your nice rotary 13B1 oil cap. So yeah, we'll see if we can find out what went wrong. Just working on getting these turbos off. There we go. Turbos are out. There's the $1 billion gasket from Mazda. I did replace that. Both of these. Go ahead and put those in my baggie. Trying to make sure I bag and tag everything for the next owner. Got new Inconel nuts and bolts for that. I put this motor together. I replaced all these gaskets. Those are all new. Just 10,000 miles. Also has an oil pan brace. And this is ceramic coated or Cerakoted, which resists heat. I got the turbos off. Got the turbo control actuator off. And now I'm just about to get the manifold off so we can take a look inside. Just 4 bolts. Just breaking them loose. Get this thing off. It's just starting to rain. Fortunately, we are undercover to this guy. Once again, new Inconel nuts. I thought I was hearing thunder. I think it's just a Harley Davidson off into the distance. Alright. There it is. Just a little orb spider. Let's get him out of there. So you know my car's been sitting too long. We don't do spiders here. And we got it off here. So we actually have low compression in rotor 1. So we're gonna try and take a look in there and see what's happening. I couldn't get a good video of this, but here you can see the apex seal is broken on rotor 1. So anyways, we'll be back next time with some more progress on the swap. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.